So in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase a rare coin that is not in the exchange market simply. Alright, you're welcome here. This is Mure Barona Monday, and if this is the first time you're dropping across my channel, you're welcome here. Please do well to subscribe. I upload videos on business and on educational material that will help you move forward in whatever career you have chosen for yourself. Alright, so we all know that the cryptocurrency world is really evolving and is taking more and more dimension, and more new cryptocurrencies are evolving every single day. And in this video I'm just going to show you how you can purchase a rare coin that is not necessarily in the crypto market. How you can acquire them before they blow up and they make you extremely rich. Alright, so we all know Binance. I don't know if you don't know Binance. Binance is an exchange platform where you can do a lot of things. You can trade, you can buy coins, you can sell to market, and you can literally do a lot of things, alright, on Binance. Alright, so there are so many ways you can buy coins on Binance. You can literally buy any coin on Binance, and then let's say, for instance, we are looking at this link coin. Alright, so you can literally buy coin with your Master or Visa card on Binance, and then you have it in your account. Alright, so but in most cases, apart from buying, you can use their exchanger, that is the exchange to exchange coin, like that's their P2P, peer to peer. Alright, you can exchange there and you can buy different coins from there. You can see buy crypto. You can see by bank deposit, by credit card, by P2P trading, and then third party payment. This third party payment is something that I don't normally use but okay, third party, simplex Visa and all of this. So most of us are not that familiar with this, so I'm going to show you. If you are using a debit card, so first thing that we have to do right now is to look for a rare coin that we want to buy. Alright, so let's open it in another tab. Every single day new coins are being added, and let's look for a rare coin. Let me go for a coin like okay, you can see there are a lot of coins, a whole lot of coins. Alright, now these ones displayed here are the ones that you can literally buy on the Binance platform, that you can literally sell and receive. That is using their exchanger. So you can literally exchange coins to another, to a whole lot of different coins, but the coins that are totally new cannot be seen in that exchange platform. Alright, so when I say coins that are totally new, let's look at coins like what's the name of this? Let's look at coins like Safe Key. Alright, it seems not to be. Alright, so I'm just going to type key. Okay, key to Ethereum. Alright, so that's not what we are looking for there. So markets, let's go to markets, and if you go to market, this is literally where all the markets, everything on Binance market is literally displayed. Alright, so now I was saying something about purchasing with card. Now you can buy it in USD with card, and you can buy this whole list of coins with your card. Alright, you can buy them with your card. and when you buy them, you can automatically change them to BTC coin, and maybe every other coin that you can see in this option. You can see that the options are limited. Meanwhile, there's thousands of different options displayed on the market cap. Alright, okay, let's take for instance, okay, there's a host of different options displayed on the market cap. So many options are here on this market cap. Alright, so many are here. Alright, so let's say you went through coin market. Let's say you went to this through coin market, because on coin market you can find these so many options of coins. Alright, so apart from when you use Binance to buy your coin, maybe you buy it into with your card into BTC or through P2P trading, you can automatically, if you see here, you will see something called trade convert. Alright, so convert. Now this here, within this option here, let's say you have BNB and then you want to convert to, let's say, a totally different coin, let's say ZEC, you want to convert to ZEC. So you can literally convert like 10, okay, let's say 100 BNB. Alright, you can see my balance here is 0, so nothing will displayed here. Alright, so you can literally convert any coin that you have from that particular coin, that particular cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency just within this interface. Alright, but this video is all about a very rare coin, maybe coins that is just probably just added to the market and you don't know where to buy it. And so most people, like, in order not to be scammed, most people go to WhatsApp, or they go to Telegram, and they get scammed. And this one will say bring your coin, and then you give them your money, and then they don't deliver you the coin you asked for, and that is a whole lot of due for you. Alright, so let's say we go to this what do they call it, coin market. You can see there are a whole lot of coins here. Alright, there are a whole lot of coins here, both newly added and oh, it's Ripple really went up. It went really up a whole lot. So there are a whole lot of coins within this coin market. Alright, so let's search for a particular coin. Here you can see the performance, like the chart and everything, the volume and everything here. Alright, let me search for a coin like SafeKey, just like I've been searching. Let's say SafeKey. The reason why I'm searching SafeKey is because SafeKey is one of those rare coins. Alright, it's very rare. Alright, so look at SafeKey. You can see the exchange rate, the BTC rate, and the Ethereum rate on SafeKey. Alright, so you can see the trading volume of SafeKey. I think this market was on, it's being compared. Alright, so this is SafeKey. This is SafeKey. That's an overview. You can view it in the market. It is like on the market. Alright, so let's say we want to view it on Binance. Alright, on Binance. Okay, on Binance it is just stamped the word key. Alright, it's just key, but the name is SafeKey actually. So in the options we search here, we see key. Let's say key. Let's see key is not there. Check here. Okay, sorry, here key is not there either. Alright, so let's go to market cap and see. Okay, we're already there. Alright, so we are here. Okay, type in the word key to see if it's there. Alright, key is here. Alright, you can see key to Ethereum, key to USDT. Alright, advanced trade, classic trade. Let's say submit classic trade. So to acquire this particular cryptocurrency, there are a whole lot of ways you can do that. Since it's not fully available on the Binance platform, now the simplest thing you can just do is if you click on it here if you click on self key here on the coin market cap. Alright, you will see some list of things here. You will see selfkey.org, which is the website of selfkey. You can see explorers, community, chart, white paper. Alright, now if you click on this community, you will see a whole lot of communities here, and then if you click on charts here, it will automatically take you to their Telegram channel. Alright, this is their Telegram channel, and on this Telegram channel you will see there's an admin there, and it is, if you now, when you get to the Telegram channel and you request how do I acquire this particular cryptocurrency, the admin there will now guide you, or they will ask you how much do you want to buy, how many do you want to buy, and they will supply you in whatever quantity you want to buy from them. Alright, this is a good way to acquire some kind of crypto before. This is their official website. And well, if you want to go through their app, you can download their app here and then just acquire it for yourself, but the app seems to be a bit slow. I don't know, they might have improved on it by now, but as at the time I used it, it was a bit slow and slower than I expected. Alright, so through that means you can easily acquire so many other rare cryptocurrency that you want to acquire. Alright, so but if you see, you can, apart from that, you can also acquire it through P2P on Binance though. Alright, although you might see all these things, but buy crypto with a bank transfer, credit, debit card, P2P, exchange, and more. Not alright. So that's how you can actually acquire rare cryptocurrency instead of going up and down and not knowing where to acquire the cryptocurrency of your choice, and you miss the opportunity that it has to offer to you before it is finally blows up. Alright, so let me know if you enjoy my video. Let me know if this was helpful to you. If you have other method or other ways of doing things like this, or maybe buying cryptocurrency, rare cryptocurrency, alright, just hit it in the comment section and let us all learn. Thank you for watching my videos.